This lotus. This is a lotus flower. This is a lotus farm. It's amazing lotus farm in the countryside. We call the scenery of countryside. It's an amazing lotus farm. Yeah. You have a stand over there. See the beautiful flower over there. Okay, that one.
Should I go inside?
Maybe inside, but be careful. Yeah.
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 Careful. Yeah, can go inside.
Yes, you can go inside, but be careful. Okay, because muddy. Okay, stop.
Wait. I want to go little more.
Be careful. Turn around. I think it's good enough. Yeah. Like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Yes.
Okay.
Standing one.
Ow.
Look at me. Be careful.
Yeah.
Look at me. Yes. Okay. 1, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is amazing flower. Okay, got it.
One stand.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Very
Yeah,
nice.
my shoes gone.
Yes.
See my shoes.
Yeah. Be careful because
So much.
muddy. Yes.
Yeah. I know. My shoes.